My name is Longy Agoha. I represent Apis & Tech. Apis & Tech is a company that is dedicated to cross-cultural development, cross-cultural management. What is cross-cultural? We provide you training programs dedicated to French speakers and English speakers. Do you want to improve your French? Do you want to know the French culture? Do you know how to do business in France? We provide you services based on these areas. We provide you, are you a Nigerian who wants to come to France to study, to do business, for training programs, or for holidays? We provide you language skills where you can come in and begin to speak French with ease. Communication is the key to your development. Are you a French person who wants to go to Nigeria to do business, for school, for any kind of services? We provide you these services and you are becoming very, very talented in speaking English. With Nigerians, we provide you Pidgin English services where you can speak Pidgin English with little or no time. That's the key to our development. These are things we provide as a service. We provide you these services where you can become a cross-cultural entrepreneur, a cross-cultural consultant. We give you these services because we know it is at the heart of your services. It's at the heart of your development. It's what you can use to cross culture, to go in and come out of Africa with ease. And you're a Nigerian coming to France, we provide these services. You land into Paris, you become a French speaker just immediately by landing into Paris. And speak, ask questions with ease in France. Do business with French people with little or no time. So that's what the kind of service we provide. Language skills at your doorstep. Contact us today at www.agohalongies.com and you'll be glad you did. Thank you very much.